little poster for today. Lula!
No charge or something around. Yeah.
Lula! It wasn't mine. Lula, come here! Come here! Jesus. Lula! Hi! Oh my god. Lula! Look! Lula! Lula! Go! Jesus. Let's first look at our puppy. Look! Look! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh, look! Lula! Lula, look! It's our puppy. And she is so... Oh, got it! Oh! Oh! Okay, so what I wanted to do is place the camera right here. Place camera right here. And then I go over here. And then I do. Oh God! Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Lula. What are you doing? Lula. Lula. Hello. Oh, God. Oh, I'm getting mauled over. Oh, jeez. Her name is Lula. Come here. Lula.
Nah. Sounds like you're saying Lula. Yeah.
Lula.
So I keep looking out and I'm like, oh, that's not me.
Lula.
Stop!
I'm saying Lula.
No, you're not. Stop. It's bothering me.
Luna.
And
Luna. Luna. Oh.
Luna.
Luna. Luna, come here. Oh, I'm gonna get mauled. Ah. Ah. Luna, come here. Luna.
Kaylee in school and I look up.
Oh, Luna. Oh, no. Luna. Luna. He's so pretty. Luna, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, no. Luna, you be in the shot. Come here. She's so silly. You know, you're so silly. Jesus. You're so silly. You're so silly. Alright. I think that's going to be the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys that. Little puppy Luna! Okay. Well, she's over by the tree. So I just want to show you a video of that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!